Material markups generally range from 10 to 25%, and this percentage depends on the type of material and the specific industry. Higher value materials typically have lower markups, often in the range of 10 to 15%. Conversely, lower value materials tend to have higher markups, typically between 15 and 25%. When it comes to switchgear and other big-ticket items, the markup strategy often shifts. Due to inherently low margins on these higher-cost items, the markup may be lower than the general material markup. A typical markup range for switchgear and similar big-ticket items is between 5 and 15%. For labor costs, a common charge for a 3-person crew ranges from $1,200 to $1,800 per day. For out-of-town work, you should factor in additional costs to cover lodging, travel, and meals. An allowance of $200 to $300 per day should adequately address these expenses. Now, if you accidentally share sensitive estimating information, here's how to navigate the situation. Firstly, be transparent. Explain that you made an error and sincerely apologize for sharing the incorrect file. Secondly, offer a solution. If the client expresses concern regarding the shared information, suggest revising the estimate to alleviate their worries. Thirdly, emphasize your professionalism. Reassure the client that you value the trust they have placed in you, and clearly communicate the steps that you will take to prevent similar errors from occurring in the future. Fourthly, maintain a positive attitude. Regardless of how upset the client may be, stay calm and composed. Your calm professionalism will help to escalate the situation. Fifthly, negotiate concessions. If the client is hesitant about agreeing to the proposed price, consider negotiating on specific project aspects to arrive at a mutually agreeable solution. To minimize these types of errors in the future, consider these additional tips. 1. Use cloud-based document management systems. This provides granular control over access to sensitive files, ensuring that only authorized personnel can view specific documents. 2. Implement password protection for critical documents. This adds an extra layer of security, preventing unauthorized access even if a file is inadvertently shared. 3. Carefully review and verify all emails before sending them. A simple proofread can catch errors like attaching the wrong file or including unintended recipients. 4. Consider asking a colleague to act as a second pair of eyes to check your work. A fresh perspective can often identify errors that you might have overlooked. By employing these strategies, you can effectively manage estimating errors, maintain positive client relationships, and improve your overall workflow.